Good day, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I am here to report to you again about God's faithfulness. I'm here to report to you that God's mercy, they never fail, and they endure forever. His strength is real. He is faithful. I want to encourage you to open up yourselves to Him, to be still. He says, be still and know that I am God. To listen to the water as it flows down the stream. There's a peace, there's a quietness, there's a stillness when you listen to it. When you watch the water flow over the rocks ebbs and flows. I want to encourage you that is how the Spirit of God operates. In the stillness, in the quiet, in the movement, in the non-movement. In the flow. And when I think of in the flow, we want to train ourselves and to still ourselves and to submit ourselves so that we flow with the Spirit of God. Look at how this water is flowing. Any debris that may be in there, they have no other choice but to flow the way the water is flowing. Think about it. Think about the rocks, and look at the rocks that are just still, that are just below the water, and the water is passing around. And I guess the rocks are kind of waiting on a force of water, perhaps maybe propel it to move to a different location from where it is. Yes, I am here to report that God is faithful. He renews our strength. He renews our strength and He restores us. So I want to thank you again for coming to my channel. I want to thank you for supporting this channel. And I pray that God will draw the ears that need to hear the word, that need to be encouraged from Him. Have a great day.